In this video, I'm going to show you how to block and unblock someone on Snapchat. So let's start with how to block someone on Snapchat. First and foremost, long press when you find the contact you want to block on Snapchat. When you long press, you'll get a few options. Tap on Manage Friendship. In here, you'll see an option for block. Tap on Block. It will ask you again to block. Tap on this again. And that's how to block someone. Now to unblock someone on Snapchat, go to your profile icon in the top left, then tap on the settings icon in the top right. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see blocked users. In here, just tap on the X button and that will ask you, do you want to unblock this person? And that is basically it.